Okay, today I'm gonna be removing a key from this keyboard. This is a Yamaha YPG-525. I've already got it open, the screws out of it, and the top is ready to come off of it. What I'm going to do is just simply, if you can see when you're taking the cover off and putting it on, the cover goes over the keys. You see the keys are stuck down in there. That's just where I have it sitting on there, so when you get ready to put it back, you have to make sure you watch your keys there. See, it's not lifting straight up, and the keys I've got to pull out here a little bit. There. Along through here. And it comes up. Pops off. As I say, I've already been in it. I was checking the screen in it on an earlier video. Just try to show you how everything is looking here. As you see, I got it leaning against something at the back there, because my wires, I don't want those pulling. They got them taped down pretty neat, so you don't have to worry about everything jumping out and moving its place when you get the top off of it. The purpose in this video is to if you can see down here on these keys, if you see along that area, if you look right here where the screws are, and ever so many keys you have this. And where it is so what that's telling me is that this is a set of 3 keys. Once I remove these 2 screws, that would allow me to move these 3 keys. These right here are sets of 12 from C to B, and the same thing goes there. What I'm gonna do is, I had this key right here hits and misses sometime. I'm gonna just, again, for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna remove this set of keys here. Again, looking for this. and I know that I'll see another one here, and it will be what this is. It locks into tracks there, if you can. Gonna remove the screws. That was 4 screws. Set those to the side. And I go to my track there and just lift up. Okay. And once you lift up from the track there, you need to pull back this way, coming towards you. You need to lift that up to you, and you see the key is tilted. I need to push back now, like so, and it comes out. And also, may I add, this is a good time for washing for those who have dirty keyboard keys. And when you look in here, this is what actually makes your notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? And here, if you look here, you see the white, it's like white gooey stuff. You do not want to clean that off. This is what gives your keyboard and your keys motion, keeps from sticking and things of that nature. So if for those who have sticky keys, that may be your problem. You're missing the gooey stuff. I don't know the name of it. I'm a complete amateur at this. I don't know the name of these parts, anything, but it just shows you how fairly simple of a job it is.